Unhygienic hospitals. Unhygienic hospitals. Unhygienic hospitals. Unhygienic hospitals. Unhygienic hospitals. Unhygienic hospitals. Spreading COVID-19. The dirt on the roof, the dirts on staircase, the dirts on passage, all spreading. Viruses. You can see a large quantity of rusted, dusted steel items. Rusted, dusted roofings, and all this lacked proper ventilation. None could intervene. All are big shots in this village. All are dominating money. All are commanding money. These hospitals spread at least 1,000 cases of pandemic a day. Who is to control them? You can see the green vegetables, the green vegetation, the greeny infections spreading, growing everywhere. But they have license. None could intervene because they got license from local body. They got license from health department. They got license from district health office. So is today's problem. They have concrete buildings, but not hygienic buildings. They have all equipments, but not hygienic equipments. Who is to control? Who is to check? World Health Organization, bestow your personal attention on unhygienic hospital, because hospitals are under your direct control. Thank you.